That's my friend All. And we are starting the electric temporary. That's the master here. He knows everything about electricity. Thanks All. We're gonna have fun, guys. It'll be awesome. Well, and some Croix roads charge its price. Fortunately, this car by a miracle has this. So I'm gonna just change. Let's see how much they're gonna charge. I hope I don't get another one because then I'm screwed. Gosh. So what's up, guys? We're here at Star Bar and I met friends. Well, first of all, I got drinks. I went out without paying and they trust. That's the point here in the island. Real friendship. And I have my friends here.
Hey. Hello.
I heard that someone who speaks Portuguese.
A little Portuguese. Oi, tudo bem?
And you have the accent from one of the states in Brazil. You sound like us.
I love that.
And guys, the food here is awesome. And I will show you more friends. Hey, guys, can you say hi? Those are my friends. Hello. Hello. Guys, the drinks here are awesome. And the people are amazing. It's lovely. What's up, guys? So if you have a flat tire, if you need anything related to tires, what else do you do, sir?
Just tires.
Just tires. That's why he's so good. Here, Emerald tires. I got my tire fixed in like 5 minutes. Fair price. Great job. Sweet people. And my car got fixed. Brand new tire. 5 minutes, good price. You should come here. It is amazing. I'm telling you. So guys, all done for $130. I made friends. I found a place with great food. Guys, it's amazing. This island has so much to offer to people. So one of the containers all got done already. Look at that. We have a temporary electric pole made by, oh, my man.